Wetland cultivation is a special way of growing food deeply rooted in tradition and sustainability. It uses waterlogged fields called paddies, which are essential for the growth of certain crops. Rice is the most common crop grown in paddies, thriving in the unique conditions they provide. People have been growing rice this way for thousands of years, perfecting techniques passed down through generations. It's a vital part of many cultures, each adding their unique touch to the practice. The film will explore this fascinating practice, revealing the intricate processes involved. Using claymation, we'll see how it works and why it's important for both the environment and communities. Wetland cultivation is like a dance between humans and nature, requiring harmony and balance. It requires careful planning and a deep understanding of the environment, ensuring sustainability. For generations, farmers have passed down their knowledge, preserving this ancient art. This ensures successful harvests year after year, providing food and stability. This ancient practice is more than just growing food. It's a celebration of life and community. It's a way of life, deeply intertwined with the rhythms of nature. It's intertwined with cultural traditions, beliefs, and ceremonies, enriching the lives of those who practice it. This film will journey into the heart of wetland cultivation, showcasing its beauty and complexity. Join us as we uncover the secrets of this sustainable and ancient art and learn why it remains vital today. Traditional wetland cultivation relies on simple yet effective tools that have been used for generations. The plough is one of the most important tools in this process. Farmers use it to prepare the land by turning over the soil. Buffaloes often pull the plough, providing the necessary strength. This helps to turn the soil and bury weeds, making the land fertile. After ploughing, farmers divide the land into smaller fields to manage water distribution. They build low walls called bunds to retain water. These bunds help to control the water level in the fields, ensuring optimal growth conditions. Farmers then plant rice seedlings by hand, a meticulous and labor-intensive process. Farmers use other tools for maintaining the fields, ensuring the crops grow well. The sickle helps to harvest the rice efficiently. The porua is a flat wooden tool used for leveling the ground, ensuring even planting surfaces. The mamoti is a type of hoe used for weeding, keeping the fields clear of unwanted plants. These traditional tools are made from natural materials which are readily available. This makes them sustainable and environmentally friendly, preserving the ecosystem for future generations. Water is the lifeblood of wetland cultivation. Farmers have developed ingenious ways to manage water. They built intricate irrigation systems. These systems bring water from rivers and lakes to the paddy fields. Tanks are an essential part of these irrigation systems. Tanks are man-made reservoirs that store rainwater. Canals and ditches then channel the water to the fields. This ensures a constant water supply throughout the growing season. Farmers carefully control the water level in the fields. They adjust the water level at different stages of rice growth. This requires knowledge and skill passed down through generations. Section 4. Cultural significance of rice farming. Rice farming is deeply ingrained in the cultural fabric of many societies around the world. It's not just a source of food, it's a way of life that has been passed down through generations. Many rituals and ceremonies are associated with rice cultivation, reflecting its spiritual and cultural importance. These traditions celebrate the importance of rice and the hard work of farmers who dedicate their lives to this practice. For example, some cultures hold planting and harvesting festivals that mark the beginning and end of the rice-growing season. These festivals often involve music, dancing, and special foods, creating a vibrant atmosphere of celebration. They are a time for communities to come together, give thanks for the harvest, and strengthen social bonds. The daily life of many people revolves around rice, from planting to harvesting to cooking. It's the staple food in their diet, providing essential nutrients and energy. They use it to make a wide variety of dishes, each with its own unique flavors and cultural significance. Rice farming is more than just an agricultural practice. It's a communal activity that fosters cooperation and mutual support. It shapes the cultural identity and social structure of many communities, influencing their way of life in profound ways. Section 5. Sustainability, then and now. Traditional wetland cultivation is remarkably sustainable. It works in harmony with nature. Farmers use natural fertilizers and pest control methods. This minimizes the impact on the environment. Modern farming methods often rely on chemicals. These chemicals can harm the environment. They can pollute water sources and damage ecosystems. Traditional wetland cultivation offers valuable lessons for today. It shows us that it's possible to grow food in a way that is both productive and sustainable. By learning from the past, we can create a more sustainable future for agriculture.